Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Namaskar doston, this is KK Prashar from Mumbai. In my earlier video, I talked about Dr. B.V. Raman, the doyen of astrology, and as we call the father of astrology, and his early experiences in astrology when he just started out his career, rather not career, but his life, when he was staying with his grandfather, Professor Suryanarayan Rao, and under his tutelage, he worked it out and became such a big man. Now, this is the second part of my earlier video. As I told you earlier, that the first part which I gave you, which was taken from Prashn Marg. It's a 2-volume classic and a thick one. So there is also one in there are a lot of things which can be worked out. Now this 3-digit number can also be utilized in medical astrology. Now the first digit would indicate the portion above the neck. Second part of the 3-digit number would be the middle part of the body, and the third number will be the below the waist. But no, this is a very big subject to explain this, how to work it out, the medical astrology through this number, which I cannot discuss. This is just a sort of a glimpse of what is coming on the Guru Purnima day on 24th, about my talk from Dr. B.V. Raman's astrological magazines. But maybe sometimes if I get time, I'll take up a full lecture on this. But for question of day-to-day life importance, this 3-digit number can be taken up. The hundredth, the 10th, and the unit bit. Now, 100 stands for past, center digit stands for present, and the last digit stands for the future. Now, there's another method which he has given. And before giving you that method, I would like to tell you a little story about this. As I was writing the script for this particular video, that was on 16th of June, a client of mine, he was here in Bombay only, but he had gone to Ambala, his hometown, and he rang me up and asked me finally to give him whether he should go for independent business or whether he should go for a job. He had already discussed all these things, but he wanted a final answer from me. So as I was writing this one only, so immediately I asked him, give me one 3-digit number. So he gave me this number 726. Now 7 stood for past, that is the moon. 2 stood for Mars, that is the course which were going on that time in his hometown, because he was without a job for more than a year because of this COVID. And the whole people, the whole family was telling him to start his own business, be independent and start his own business. But he wanted a final okay from me. And 6 was Saturn, which indicates much effort needed. Now, this much effort needed was not satisfying to him. Now, I'm going to tell you a formula here. What to do? Multiply this number, that is 726, whatever number he's told me. You can decide your own number and multiply it by 45 and divide the product by 8. So when I multiplied 726 by 45, it came to 32670. And when I divided it by 8, the balance was 6. Now, how to give the results? It said that if the remainder is 0 or even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, sorry, it can't go beyond 8. So it has to be 2, 4, or 6. If it is even number, then result only failure. And if the remainder is an odd number, it indicates good health, recovery from illness, financial gain, and success can be predicted. So I told them, please go for job only. Don't go in for independent business. So because his horoscope indicates service-oriented horoscope. Now, again, say reduce this root number. That is reduced number. Root number is here. He had given me 726 to single digit. That is 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. And whatever single digit number comes, it has its own results, which I'll just read it for you because I have not prepared the PPT for this, but I'll repeat it for you, which you can listen and work it out. Now, first I'll tell you when I divided this when I multiplied 726 by 45 and divided by 8, so it was 6. Independent business had already been said failure, but otherwise 6 indicated Venus. Venus says good sexual enjoyments, happiness with wife, good income, and acquisition of many ornaments. So it was clear he can go for job and he'll get whatever he was looking forward to, that was good income and acquisition of money. And also interesting thing, happiness with wife, most important thing. If the wife is happy, everything is happy. But still, I'll read it for you. What does these digits stand for when you reduce the main root number to 1, 1 digit? Now, if it comes to 1, it means sun. Object in view will be gained, sorry. If the question refers to politics, success will attend and honor will flow. Number 2, if it is the balance is 2, if the reduced number is 2, then moon indicates mental peace, domestic happiness, plenty of food, and acquisition of desired objects. And moon should be powerful at the time of query. What does it mean? Moon should be powerful at the time of query means the moon should be a waxing moon, not a waning moon. And you know what is waxing moon? Waxing moon is from 11 Shukla Paksh to 5 Krishna Paksh. Then if the balance is 3, if the total digit number comes to 3, then it is Mars. It means accidents, injuries from fire and weapons, quarrels, head disease from enemies. And if the total 3-digit number comes to, after adding 4, then it means Mercury. Mercury indicates it is skin eruptions and sores in the body, lingering or intermittent fever, and losses in trade and business. Trouble from domestic animals such as dogs, cats, etc. If by adding these 3 digits, if 5 is the number, then Jupiter is the answer, and Jupiter indicates access to wealth, realization of objects, blessings from preceptors and holy people, and smooth sailing in all affairs. Now, this is for Jupiter. And if the number comes to 6, that is after adding the 3-digit numbers, if the total comes to Venus, 6, it means Venus. Venus means good sexual enjoyments, happiness with wife, good income, and acquisition of money and ornaments. And if adding all the 3 digits, 7 is the number, then it means Saturn. Saturn indicates colic pains, sorrow, misunderstandings, fear from spirits, and hobgoblins. Hobgoblins means bhoot pret, rheumatism, and bad results in general. If total number comes to 8, it means Rahu. It indicates skin diseases of virulent type. Virulent means different types of skin diseases, eye troubles, misunderstandings, fear from poison, snakes and reptiles. Then the power of, then he says, Dr. B.V. Raman says, all these things are okay, but you must have the power of intuition, and it must be cultivated, otherwise the interpretation may not come quite correct. So he worked on intuition and also you'll be surprised. Every time a client came, he always drew a Prashna chart. He did not completely depend upon the horoscopic chart, but immediately drew either in his mind. He was so good in calculation of these in mathematics that he immediately could draw up a Prashna chart in his mind and see what is the indication of the Prashna chart. So here, my dear friends, I finish up this video just now, and I request you to please come and watch our Guru Purnima Day on 24th, 25th July, and as well as on 31st July. And there'll be many scholars who will be giving you different kinds of predictions, different kind of methods, different kind of astrological calculations, so that if you see that, you'll be a rich person as far as astrology is concerned. And I'll also be there with my lecture. And on the same basis as I've just told you, from the astrological magazines which I've collected over the years, for the last many years, even I got few from their office, old magazine lying there, and you will be benefited, you will be rewarded, and rather you will be richly rewarded if you attend this Guru Purnima day. Thank you. Goodbye. Namaskar.